Hello, hello. This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and we are talking about TAAT, lifestyle and wellness.
We're gonna do it like this, y'all. Get up. You got money, bankrolls, join the gang and rub elbows. We run a game and trade smart. That weed stock is a great start. Invest your money right in that good oil, in that cannabis. That's that double trouble. And AI is on that watch list. In that bear market, I am an opportunist. One time for your mind tonight. I say the stock goes up, now get your money right. I'm so cold with it. I know the code really. You got some good money, put some gold in it.
Yeah.
Rich TV, homie, you know the place. Don't change the channel.
You gonna lose your face.
I got that good on that penny stocks. I'm on YouTube making your money right. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money slip. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to
Big
say
news for TAAT.
Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stack it up now, make your money work. And when you're slipping, your money giving birth. In the bull market, I'm a smart dog. I bring it up to you. Check your life stocks. I'm that good guy. I set the record straight.
My trading academy is here to elevate.
My cannabis stock is how the money smell. This is Rich TV Life, following my trail. I pick the right trade, gold, oil, wheat.
Yes.
I turn a 2 into a 20 like a bench press. Check that flow, though. That's that 2020. They yelling Hail Mary. I'm making hella money. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money slip. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money go. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money slip. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money go. When the bears hit,
The bulls fall back.
that's right. Hit me one time.
If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich, and I'm old. Peace.
How you doing? How's everybody doing? So TAAT once again is doing what it does. TAAT is doing what it does. Up again, 15.94%. So if you bought the dip, you literally could be selling the rip right now, up another 15%. And it's funny, this line that I drew, that was drawn on Friday. Isn't that funny? That line that I drew that on Friday. Just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just telling you the facts. You can go back and watch my video from Friday, and you can clearly see that that line, that line up, yeah, that was predicted by this guy's analysis on Friday. Clearly, I was right because the stock is up, right? Stock is up. And let's talk about why. Here it is. Here's why. Bam. This is the reason why right here, right now.
I'm here to share some exciting news. This strategic partnership will give us the resources to scale at an unprecedented pace in our mission to capture market share of the $814 billion global tobacco industry. For those of you who don't know what is TAAT, this is TAAT. It contains no tobacco and no nicotine. What it does contain is beyond tobacco, our base material that uses a patent-pending refinement technique to give off the taste and smell of tobacco. By using TAAT, smokers can leave nicotine behind without changing the experience. The reason we exist is to give the world's 1.3 billion tobacco users the power to choose. This $5 million investment provides us the financial resources to maximize TAAT's launch in Ohio later this quarter and expand into other U.S. markets. Additionally, Through this partnership, we will have access to global relationships to expedite possible expansions into international markets, including Asia, which is a big market for a product like TAAT. In China alone, the population of tobacco smokers is almost the same size as the entire population of the United States. I believe that this investment is a transformational development for the company as TAAT takes on the tobacco industry. For more information about this strategic investment, please refer to TAAT's press release from October 9th, 2020. Make sure to follow @TAAT Global on social for more updates, and you can always find more information on our website. Thanks for watching.
What do you guys think about the new cigarette packs? It's pretty smooth, right? They got the green menthol, the red original, and the blue smooth. I wonder what the smooth's like. Smooth. I like that. I like the name Smooth. What do you guys think? Hey guys, by the way, while we're live, TAAT is going up, by the way. We're going to just watch this. This is entertaining. So we're going to watch this go up. And TAAT obviously is our pick. We brought this pick at 41 cents pre-IPO. Today, they are almost a $3 stock, currently at $2.92. And when they did the news for the $5 million investment, I went live and I said why I thought it was a phenomenal deal for TAAT. Clearly, the market agrees with me. Clearly, the market agrees with me. And thus, we see TAAT now up 16% today at $2.92. This is a company that has a game-changing technology with a patent that is pending, with a recipe to create a cigarette. The TAAT looks like this, guys. A recipe to create a cigarette. They look like this. A recipe to create a cigarette that tastes like a cigarette, smells like a cigarette, looks like a cigarette, but it has no nicotine and zero tobacco. Game changer. TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness is a game changer, and they're up on news. Obviously, I broke you guys the news on Friday. They had more news again today. Here it is. TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness Limited, TAAT in Canada, TOBAF in America, T2TP2 in Frankfurt, Germany. Thank you guys from Germany. All of you guys that are getting into TAAT. I know you guys love TAAT. Hope you got in on BABA. No, I didn't, man. I didn't. Jeff Nowak says, I know smokers who are looking forward to this product, as many others are too. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty exciting. Marco says $10 incoming. I've been saying $10. I believe $10 is the price target for TAAT, in my opinion. This can be a $10 stock. It's not going to happen overnight. My prediction is probably 12 to 36 months, but it could happen sooner. Could happen sooner. You keep putting deals together with billionaires, and then all bets are off. Let's just read the news. TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness announced in a press release dated Friday, October 9, 2020, the closing of a private placement in escrow, subject to the company confirming the delivery of the closing proceeds in the amount of CAD 6,750,000 or $5 million US, otherwise known as the placement, was led by a Hong Kong financier, Debbie Chang, co-founder of Horizon Ventures in her personal capacity. This press release can be accessed by clicking here. The October 9, 2020 press release is complemented by a video statement from TAAT Chief Executive Officer Setti Coscarella, in which Mr. Coscarella comments on the significance of the placement with respect to the company's immediate and near-term business objectives. In the video, which is embedded below, which I just showed you guys, Mr. Coscarella describes how the strategic partnership formed by way of placement could potentially expedite future expansion initiatives. The company has developed Beyond Tobacco trademark, the nicotine-free and tobacco-free base material for TAAT, an analog to tobacco cigarettes, offered in original, smooth, and menthol varieties. TAAT is a combustible product that has been engineered to mimic the many sensory and motor elements that comprise the experience of smoking a tobacco cigarette. Such elements include a tobacco-like scent and taste, an enhanced volume of smoke, guys, and even an audible crackling as the product burns. Readers using news aggregation services may be unable to access the media above. The company's management believes the placement is a development that further encourages its principal business objectives to commercialize TAAT as a novel alternative to tobacco cigarettes. Between additional operating capital and resources that can facilitate expedited growth, the placement builds upon momentum that the company has gained from its several key accomplishments made over the past 6 months. Let's just break down these accomplishments, okay? Let's just break down how quickly this company has grown. June 22nd, 2020, TAAT became publicly traded on the Canadian Securities Exchange. June 22nd. So July, August, September, October. We're not even 4 months into this story, and this stock is already up from 41 cents to $2.91. That's already a success story, okay? Any way you slice it, this company is already a success story from 41 cents pre-IPO June 22nd to $2.91 October 13th, 2020. That's less than 4 months. We've seen a stock go up from 41 cents, and it did hit a high, its all-time high of 441. Now we're going to back out and we're going to look at the last 6 months. Look at that. I've been marking up these charts. I'm watching this thing like a hawk. We're marking these charts. And on Friday, I did predict this would go back up. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. I'm not a licensed advisor. Do your own due diligence, do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best. The best is blessed. My job is to bring you guys the best. TAAT has a chance to be the best. That's why I like this stock. It has a chance to be the best. And I'm looking to invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is a company that has a chance to be the best. I don't care what anybody has to say. At the end of the day, our community loves TAAT. Our members love TAAT. And our members have won on TAAT. Our members have won on TAAT, okay? Our members have won over and over and over on TAAT, and they're up another 16% almost right now, 15.94% yet again for this story that is just evolving and evolving and evolving and evolving. So look now at $2.93. So while we are live, TAAT is now up 16.73%. While we are live, TAAT is screaming. So what I'm going to do is we're going to have to celebrate this. I'm sorry. I got no choice. I apologize, but I'm in a good mood today. I have sold a lot of stock today in other issuers. So I'm in a good mood. I'm not going to lie. So what I'm going to do today is it's a celebration day. I know Thanksgiving was yesterday, but today's a celebration day too, because this is yet another day where members win again on TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. And that is what we love. We love to find the winners, and we love to find them first. And when we do, we celebrate. It's important to celebrate your victories. We work really hard. We deserve to celebrate. This is a celebration. But I think first we should play our anthem because it is pretty awesome. It's a pretty awesome anthem. We should listen to the anthem while we celebrate our victory here on TAAT. We'll go to the 1 minute chart and we can see clearly that this is climbing up on the 1 minute chart. Now the RSI is very close to the sell zone, so be careful. It's at 67.
Money never sleeps.
I do expect it to get a little bit of selling here soon. But if you're up on TAAT, smash the like button, comment down below, share this video everywhere, Show some love if you're up on
Got
TAAT.
money, bank rolls, join the gang and rock elbows. We run the game and trade smart. That weed stock is a great start. Invest your money right in that good oil, in that cannabis. That's that double trouble. And AI is on that watch list. In that bear market, I am an opportunist. One time for your mind tonight. I say the stock goes up, now get your money right. I'm so cold with it. I know the code really. You got some good money, put some gold in it. Yeah, Rich TV homie, you know the place. Don't change the channel, you gon' lose your face. I got that good on that penny stocks. I'm on YouTube making your money rain. Stocks, gold, oil, yeah. I'm here to say don't let your money slip. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money slip. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stack it up now, make your money work. And when you're slipping, your money giving birth. In the bull market, I'm a smart dog. I bring it up to you. Check your life stocks. I'm that good guy. I set the record straight. My trading academy is
Here to elevate.
My cannabis stock is how the money smell. This is Rich TV Life, following my trail. I pick the right trade, gold, oil, weed.
Yes.
I turn a 2 into a 20
Like a bench press.
Check that flow, though. That's that 2020. They yelling Hail Mary. I'm making hella money. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money slip. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money go. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money slip. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work.
Ooh, Jose, you got in at 62? My man.
Fall back. That's right. Hit me one time.
Hey, man, you guys sell and take profits whatever you want, man.
You're not watching. This is your boy Rich, and I'm old. Peace.
Hey, man, I love this song, brother. So if you don't like the song, hey, man, I apologize for you. But you know what? I love it. And you're going to have to continue to listen to it. Because when we win and we celebrate, we do it in style. And that's the anthem right there, man. Look, Nora says it's a 6th song. So what's up with you, Francesco? No offense, man. What's up with you, man? You don't like winning? You like watching? But let's take a look at some more songs. Let's find some more songs. Let's do... boom. This is my favorite. Yo, shout out to Ill Kid, man. It's another one of the legends. Shout out to Ill Kid, man, for this track. This is a legendary track from Ill Kid. Haters, look at me now. For all the people that didn't believe that TAAT would be a success, the song is for you. The song is for everyone that thought the TAAT wouldn't be a success. And by the way, they're at $295. Drop an 8 in the chat if you made money on TAAT, up 17.5% while we are live.
For the clout, I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters, stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Henny in my cup, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamond stay dripping. I'm a
Who's winning on TAAT? Who's winning on TAAT? Drop 888 in the chat if you're winning on TAAT. And if you're not winning on TAAT, you're probably getting squeezed. You're probably short and getting squeezed. That's gotta suck.
No kid and play, I got shit to say. I got homies in the CFL to the NBA, word of juice anyways. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters, stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Yeah, talking my shit. This some rocket shit. 3 seconds, I'm a blast off. Alpha Omega, see, I am the past, present, future, really no mask off. Fucking with rich, we getting rich. Yeah.
296 for TAAT. Let's go.
How many trolls trying to take along?
Woo! See the MACD just crossed up? That's very bullish, guys. We going to $3.
I do not take an L, so I just had to win.
We going to $3 while we're live.
Savages, I do not listen to you. I do not miss off the cue. I'm in the midst of Peru. Make no mistake, you in the lake, so they go fishing for you. Shooting like my name is Jules.
Oh, this is just the start for TAAT. There's no doubt about it. But we got to celebrate our success, don't we?
Money like I missed a Magoo. Greedy as fuck, but I'm humble as shit. I'm lyrical with it, you mumbling shit. Ghost Rider's writing up all of your head. Your bitch is with me and she's sucking the dick. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout.
70.
You can just get off my clout.
The RSI is at 70. So it's becoming very heavily overbought. Be careful of a trend reversal.
Baby, just look at me now.
So when you're trading this, you got to know your indicators. And we can see here on the RSI that we're getting very, 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 very close to the sell zone. You can see that the MACD crossed up, which was very bullish. We had this move up, but now the MACD is starting to turn sideways. So just be careful here. We could see this do a little bit of a pullback here. Maybe I would say like to here. Maybe to here. Maybe back to 291. Just a little pullback. And then I think we see another run up. And I think we maybe see $3 today. Look, while I'm saying that, it went to 293. While I'm saying there's going to be a pullback, it went right to 293. Like, the indicators don't lie, guys. The RSI right now is at 64. So the RSI is gaining, a little steam to come down. So it's losing steam. So that means it can go back up. So to me, this is what we call a simple retrace. I believe, based on my analysis, that it probably retraces back to 291, 292, and then we see it run up again. Right now, it's down to 293. Let's see if my analysis is correct. Hey, Nora, thank you for your support. I appreciate everything, and I wish you the best on your PhD in writing your thesis. I hope you get everything that you want to get. And we need more good doctors. So, yeah, I wish you the best. I'm sure you'll do great. I only wish success for everybody, for all members of our community. So TAAT right now back to 295, up 17.53%. So I want to read this to you guys. This is the timeline of events. This is a very impressive 3.5 months. June 22nd, 2020, TAAT became publicly traded on the Canadian Securities Exchange, TAAT. July 31st, 2020, ex-big tobacco strategist Setti Coscarella appointed CEO. August 21st, 2020, Tim Corkum, a former commercialization executive for a big tobacco firm, is named Chief Revenue Officer. September 2nd, 2020, TAAT procures commercial scale production capacity at favorable pricing from a contract manufacturer for global and regional tobacco brands. September 4th, 2020, first patent application filed for a refinement technique of Beyond Tobacco trademark based material, creating tobacco-like scent and taste. September 22nd, 2020, TAAT receives 3.2 tons of material for Beyond Tobacco trademark, expected to be sufficient for producing 15,000 10-pack cartons of TAAT. September 25th, 2020, uplisting approved for TAAT to be traded on the OTCQB market in the United States. September 29th, 2020, provisional TAAT pack designs revealed to align with tobacco industry offerings pictured below. October 6th, 2020, initial purchase order of TAAT received from a tobacco wholesaler in Ohio, which is TAAT's launch market. That's quite a 3.5 months for TAAT, for a stock that's gone from 41 cents to now $2.95. TAAT CEO Setti Coscarella commented, from the tobacco industry's perspective, I was confident from the beginning in TAAT's ability to gain market share, despite how other nicotine-free alternatives to tobacco cigarettes often have difficulty gaining traction. With the funds from the placement, as well as the capabilities and resources available to us by way of the strategic partnership, I believe we are now able to scale much faster as we undertake our journey towards capturing market share. That's the goal here, is gaining market share. We also intend to continue distributing multimedia content similar to my recent video statement regarding the placement to provide investors and the general public greater depth about our vision and our plans to scale TAAT throughout the United States as well as globally. Guys, this is so big. This is so big. Like, this is huge. This is massive. This is so big. So big. So full disclosure, I did sell my Apple shares today and I sold it at the right price. So I'm very happy. I sold it near the top today. So I feel really good about that. And I made money on Apple, very good money on Apple. I sold eDoc today, which is my #1 pick for October 2020. I sold it today for profit. Very happy about that. Control Energy. I sold Control Energy for profit today. Very happy about that. Sold it in the green. But I'm very bullish on Control Energy. And any day now, they could have some huge news. So I do expect that this stock could skyrocket again. It's not that I don't like it and I'm not interested in buying it again. I might buy it again tomorrow. I just wanted to show our community how to take profits because I was in the green on many other trades today, including K&R, Apple, and eDoc. And I wanted to show the community how to take profits, when to take profits. I'm not licensed. I can't tell you when to buy or sell. But what I can do is I can tell you when I am buying and selling. And then from there, you can generate your own decisions. Here's GDNP, Good Natured Products. Our community got in early. I got in at 13.5 cents. A lot of our members got in anywhere from 13 to 14 cents. Today, I took profits. A lot of members took profits. It went as high as 21 cents today. It's not that I don't think it can go higher, but I like to sell into momentum. I don't like to sell into weakness. So I sell in the green. I buy in the red. I buy on the dips, sell on the rips. That's what I did. And I did that on 4 of my trades today. Congratulations to all members that may have sold today and taken profits. I always like taking profits, guys, because you do not know what tomorrow is going to bring. You never do. Okay. So when you have profits staring you in the face, sometimes it's a good idea just to take them. Right. And, you know, I'm not suggesting that if you're up on TAAT, this is TAAT in America, TOBAF up 4%, having a nice day. And if you're in America and you take a look at TAAT, I mean, it has been phenomenal, literally from 10 cents to $2.22. Just an absolute dream stock for anybody who got into it. Okay. TOBAF in America, TAAT in Canada, TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness, currently at $2.95 in Canada and up today 17.5%. So there was a lot of people after they had the news that Debbie Chang had invested $5 million US. A lot of people were believing because she did it at $1.30 that this stock was going to go down. I believed that it was very bullish news. I believed that it would go up. Thus, I drew this line on Friday saying that this is a dip, and I believe we may see it rip again. Now, where does it go tomorrow? I have no idea. Maybe it continues to go up. Maybe it goes down. I have no idea. As an investor, the key is to buy it on the dips, and then when it makes its move, take your profit. And then if it dips again, we buy it again. We don't just leave TAAT. We can always just buy it again on the next dip. And then on the next big rip, we sell it again. And we can just continue to make money on these trade ideas forever. Every time they dip, you buy. Every time they rip, you sell. That's how I trade, right? I don't need to go and look anywhere else. I just look at the same stocks. And when they're down, that's when I think about buying. And then when they're up, That's when I think about selling. Then there's always new companies that I'm looking to add to my core of picks. And I'm always doing the research, evaluating them, trying to determine whether or not I want to add them to my core of picks for my community, whether it be on YouTube, whether it be our trading academy, whether it be for myself personally. I'm always researching the next hot stock. I'm always interviewing CEOs, trying to find out who's going to be the next supernova pick. That's our modus operandi here, okay? So as a community, I feel like we've really evolved, where companies like TAAT are coming to us saying, hey, we want to be in front of your community. We like your community. We want to be in front of your community. And a lot of our members are holding TAAT. Some of them are trading TAAT. Some of them are holding TAAT. Some of them are swing trading TAAT. I'm not here to tell you what to do. But as an investor, I always think it's smart if you buy something low and then it goes up and then it starts to come down again. I say take your profits, and then if it comes down again and goes back to that original price and you really like it, you can buy it again. And then if it goes up again, it has huge news and it explodes, you can sell it again. And you can just continue to do that over and over and over again, right? So my idea is to find the greatest companies and just buy the dips and sell the rips. And like, I'll give you a great example. Like, look, I told you guys I thought TAAT might go back down, right? And I said 291, 292. Well, it hit 290. Look at that. Hit 290. Now let's see if my analysis is correct. Does it bounce off this zone, or do we see this go lower? Let's see. I'll mark it and let's see if my analysis is correct. Now, the reason why I think this could go higher from here is, see how the RSI has gone down to 47. So at 295, the RSI on the 1 minute was at 70. Now at 290, only 5 cents lower, the RSI has gone down to 47. So see how it's kind of lost steam, which to me means it's ready for the next leg up. Now, when I'm looking at the indicators here, though, the MACD has crossed down, which is a very bearish indicator, and both lines are pointing down, which means this could go down a little bit further before it goes back up. But we'll watch it and we'll see what it does. We are live. We're interactive. We are looking at the markets. I'm giving you my live analysis on TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. Just showed you guys the video. Okay. Says, hey, Rich, up $600 today. Hey, man, good work. Take profits, my friend. Take profits. Paul for Freedom says, TAAT for freedom. Thanks, Rich. Hey, respect, Paul, man. All I want is for you to win, my friend. If you guys win, I win. I just want you guys to win. At the end of the day, I just want our community to win. I want everybody to win. And if you guys want to be a part of this growing community, this community of winners, I'd love for you to join us in our trading academy. We've got some members doing phenomenal things, like Amanda, who turned $500 into over 300K US trading Forex, and members that have already made over 6 figures trading stocks within our community, and many members that are making thousands of dollars a day within our community, myself included. Today, I just sold and I made $4,000 selling, I just told you, GDNP, EDOC, Apple, and KNR. Just gave you 4 picks that I bought, told everyone in our trading community and our academy, I bought them, I sold them, and I took profits. And I showed those trades publicly to everyone in our community in the trading academy. All those picks were winners. And as I trade and I make trades and I win, I share those trades live and publicly with our trading academy members. If you would like to join the trading academy, email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. We only want the best. I only want the best. So if you're someone that just, not sure if you want to learn how to make money, if you're someone that's not sure if you want to trade, if you're someone that's not sure if you want to win in the markets, probably not the best fit. But if you're somebody that thinks, hey man, I want to make $1 million trading, or I want to make 6 figures trading, or I want to make some extra money for Christmas, I want to make a few extra $1,000 a month, I can show you how. Our members are doing that. And we can show you strategically how you can grow within this business and have phenomenal success. In order for you to do that, all you got to do is email me And what I'll do is I'll send you some information on how you can get involved in the Trading Academy. And we have many members that are having, like I said, phenomenal success. Not everybody, because not everybody's a good trader. But if you're willing to learn and you're willing to evolve, we can teach you. And for example, we told everybody within our community about TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness pre-IPO at 41 cents. Today, TAAT sits at $2.91. So had you got into this pre-IPO at 41 cents, when I brought it to our entire community first, before anyone in the world, you could have already made a killing on TAAT. A killing. So lots of our members have. And not just on TAAT, on many other picks as well. And we're going to continue to, because as a community, we are evolving and we're getting better. And our picks are getting better. The companies that are coming on our show are getting better. We're now interviewing NASDAQ companies, TSX companies, New York Stock Exchange companies, OTCQX companies, OTCQB companies, as well as CSE companies and TSXV companies. So we are really evolving as a community, and the goal is not about having thousands of members. The goal is having a core of 1,000 members of the sharpest minds in the world being a part of our team. People that can actually make money trading. People that are already making money trading that want to make more. People that want to learn, that are willing to do whatever it takes to be a success. People that are entrepreneurial. People that have an entrepreneurial mindset. People that have an entrepreneurial spirit. People that are already investing but want to be better. Like I was an investor trying to become better. And I believe since I've joined the academy, I've become a way better trader, and my results show that. And my bank account shows that. And my my trading account shows that. So I want to be able to help people all over the world. That's my goal. That's my modus operandi. And I think a $200 investment to invest in yourself to make thousands of dollars a week, thousands of dollars a day, thousands of dollars a month, extra 6 figures, 7 figures a year, I think it's worth it. And I also believe that trading is the future. So if you want to get into TAAT and other deals early and be able to know what's going on with companies, because we're doing the research every single day within our community, you can get that type of information first by joining our Trading Academy, because our members get access to all the top information first. It's incredible. Yes, Vary's having a very nice day. And that's another one of our picks. Congratulations to members on the Very Good Food Company. Very currently at $1.85. And what we'll do right now, guys, since we're live, if there's anything else that's moving right now that you think I should talk about, you think I should be watching, let me know and I'll pull it up and I'll give you my analysis. But Very clearly has been a success as well. And I did sell my Very in September for a $7,000 profit. I was very happy about that. And you can see Very has some trade ideas. Very has been a huge success since its IPO. This is a company that actually raised money at 13 cents. So this has come a long way. And it IPO'd around like 40 cents, and it's gone all the way up to $1.86. So it's another huge success story. We've been all over this since day one. I made a video about it on YouTube at $1.08. It's now $1.86. So congratulations to members. And this is a company I'm very bullish on. I think it has $10 written all over it. In my opinion, this has $10 written all over it, just like TAAT. And just like K&R, actually, Control Energy, another one that I actually sold today, but I really like them. But you know what? I've learned not to get greedy as a trader. And when you see green, just take your profits. And it just looked to me like, you know, it's on its way up. And I thought, you know what? Let me just take my profits while I'm up. If it takes another dip, I wouldn't mind getting it on the next dip and then get ready for the next rip. So we'll see. Another reason why I did sell is I did get in a little too high. I didn't like my entry. So we'll see if there's going to be another dip for me to get in lower or not. Either way, I'm okay. I don't care. I don't need to chase anything. The only thing I'm looking to chase is profits, and I'm happy to take my profits and to secure the profits, because when you're up, you just don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. And hopefully KNR runs to $10 because a lot of our members in the community are holding it, and hopefully it does run to $10. But today I saw profits and I decided, you know what? Today was my day to take them. So that's why I did. All right. And just quickly look at Apple. So Apple, I sold today and I didn't like the way it was trading. It was at 126 pre-market. Then it dropped to like 124, then went all the way back down. Like if we go to the 1-day chart, just didn't like the way it's trading. Very erratic behavior. Went to like 26 pre-market and then opened at 25 and then came down to 24, went all the way down to like 21, 22, and then came back to 24.85. And this is right around where I sold because I just didn't like the way it was trading. And I was like, I'm not liking this. And I saw the RSI was really high here. You could see the RSI was like overbought and kind of reached like that 70 zone where I'm thinking sell, and I did. And then it came down. So right now it feels like a good idea. Didn't like the way it was trading. It was kind of like a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And that's why I decided to do what I did. Once I sell a stock, I never worry about where it goes after because I always know that I can just buy it again. So if I want, I can just buy it again. So it's not a big deal. But what is a big deal is that when you're up on a stock, take your profits. Now, I've publicly had 5 trades, and the only one left that wasn't in profit is DOC. DOC is now at 213. My break even is at 220. Once DOC gets to 220 and above, I'll be ready to start thinking about selling DOC as well. And I will sell DOC so that I can show all of our members within our trading academy and within our community how to get in and how to get it out of trades perfectly with the win. I'm not so concerned about how much I make per trade. I'm more concerned about teaching the community how to trade, how to get in and how to get out with profit, and how to protect your equity more than anything else and your profit. So if there we go, Cloud MD is now at 214, right? So at 220, I break even on DOC, and then from there, it's all profit. It will go into profit, and then once it gets into profit, if I feel it starts to sell off, I'll get out. That's the way I trade. TAAT for the win, yes. TAAT definitely for the win. If you guys have any picks you want me to look at, please let me know. Very excited about the news on TAAT. TAAT out with news today. TAAT doing quite well, and very excited about a lot of our picks. Pretty much all of them are up today, and that's why I did sell 4 of my positions today, and I'm publicly letting you guys know that because I want to teach you guys how to get in trades and how to get out of trades with profit. That is our modus operandi here, is to teach you how to get into trades and how to get out of trades with profit. I'm not telling you to buy or sell. You can hold on to TAAT. You can hold on to everything that we talk about, or you can sell it. That's up to you. I don't tell you guys what to do. I simply, Rich TV Live, am here for education and entertainment purposes. We're here to educate you and entertain you and bring you picks that I think have a chance to win and give you my opinion and give you my analysis. More often than not, we've been winning, right? We can go to Rich TV Live right now and we can see the results for themselves. The results always do speak for themselves. You just go to richtvlive.com, go to Rich's Picks, and here's the results. So I've made 91 picks publicly here on our website. And out of those 91 picks, 138% returns on our public picks on richtvlive.com. Most of these picks, if not all, I have videos on YouTube. I believe all of them. A lot of them are in my top 10. You can see some of the picks that are in my top 10. AQST finally went green today. It was the only one in my top 10 that hasn't been green so far in October. So if you guys go to my Rich TV Live top 10 for October, every single, there it is. So it's officially green. So now AQST is green. So officially all 10 of my picks for October have gone green. AQST, as you can see here, was red at a high of 486. I called it at 499. It is officially green now. up 8% today and at $5.10. So every single one of my picks in October have been green. Now, some of them, like FBIO, was green and then it came down. That's why I teach you guys, buy in the red, sell in the green. If you're up on something and then it starts to come down, never let your profits disappear. Always take your profits. 100% of the time, never let a trade that you're green on go red, ever. Because you can always just buy it again in the red, and then when it goes up, sell in the green again. That's my trading style. So why would you ever let a trade that you're in profit in go red? Think about it logically. It doesn't make sense. If I buy a stock at $4.99 and it goes to $5.10 and I'm in the green and it starts to come down, get out. That's my trading style. I don't care if you're only making 20 bucks or 50 bucks or 100 bucks. Protect your equity. Now you got the money you put into the trade plus your profit that you can put into the next trade that might go up 100% instead of, 5%. Because if you get into a trade and it goes down, those are the ones I want to get out of, right? But if you get into a trade and it's ripping, yeah, you want to hold it. But if it's ripping and ripping and ripping and then it starts to come down, take your profit. You can always buy it again. But lock in profits. Always lock in profits. That's the name of the game. That's my trading style. I say it right here. Look. Rich TV Live's picks, trading style, momentum trading. Trading idea, take profits of 5% or more. My trading style is a price trap. I trap a price and I look for momentum. And if it goes up, I'm looking to sell. That's it, man. I don't need to get greedy. People that are greedy are always left holding the bag. All right. Sometimes it works for you, but a lot of times it doesn't when you're greedy. Okay. So yes, I'm breaking the news on TAAT. This is what TAAT looks like. TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. Big news. Once again, up again. And this is just like the gift that keeps on giving, guys. TAAT is like the gift that keeps on giving. You just buy the dips, sell the rips. Buy the dips, sell the rips. And I love this company. Here's Joe Deegan, the founder of TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. Let's listen to Joe.
We are going to take on one of the largest industries in the world. This is almost a $1 trillion global industry that is ripe for change. Smoking is harmful. There's no benefit to smoking, but it is addictive, and people continue to do it because it is addictive.
I built my first company in 2012. It was an e-liquid manufacturing company. This led me on a journey to create the market's first hemp cigarette. What really makes this product different is that it's powerfully allowing a cigarette smoker to replace an identical habit to smoke a cigarette that is an identical weight, that burns identically. It mimics the taste of a cigarette, but it does not have tobacco and it does not have nicotine.
This product allows you to get away from something that makes you sick. This is going to truly change the world. I was very intrigued about being able to do something that was so innovative and so different and had so much potential to not only be successful financially, but also to improve people's lives.
During this experience of being in the counterculture industry and private labeling for other CBD companies, as far back as 2014, the development of this new product, it was the market's first hemp cigarette. And the response was overwhelming. And it really just deepened my passion even further to innovate and evolve on the product and create something that has never existed before.
Our target market is essentially anybody who smokes or vapes on a global scale. We are going to come in and create an opportunity for people to better their lives by consuming our product. It's an easy message to present. It's an easy message for people to understand. We're in the final stages of testing this product, and we'll be going to market this fall. We're launching in the United States in the fall of 2020, and we will have a production capacity of approximately 1 million sticks a day, which is about 4,800 cartons. It's something that's going to truly allow us to expand this business globally very quickly.
I sincerely mean this perfectly every single time, to have the same consistent experience for our customers today that they'll have a year from now. So it's a very detailed 20-step process that we implement here to handle a very complicated plant and turn it into a sensation for our customers that tastes just like a real tobacco cigarette.
So yeah, it's like everything about TAAT is just falling into place. These guys have been such a success story, and I'm super, super proud of this company, you know, and everything that they've done. Now they've got a billionaire investor behind them and Lee Ka-shing. I just don't see any downside to this company. AQST is going up, surprise, surprise, while I talk about it. It's kind of been the trend, hey guys? Notice that? And if we go to TAAT, we're just going to quickly look at TAAT again here. TAAT right now at $2.90, starting to get some resistance around that $3 mark and starting to sell off a little bit here around the 290 zone. So let's see where it levels off for the day. Up 15% right now at $2.90. And in America, TOBAF, TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness in America at $2.23, up 4%. Thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. We were the first ones ever to bring you TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. And I've got more picks we'll be bringing you first. Stay tuned. Oh, here's another one. ELEF. We brought you this pick too. I'll be interviewing the CEO later today. ELEF up 12%. Silver stock. I love them at 49 cents. If you were buying the dips on this, you could literally be selling the rip today. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. It's been a big winner for our community. I think this is a story that continues to evolve. Love to know your opinions. If you like this video, smash the like button, comment down below, share this video everywhere. It allows the video to go viral and for people all over the world to learn about this breaking news, this cutting edge, game changer technology, TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness, a company that everyone should know about, a company that is changing the world, and a company that's changing lives, especially in the stock market for investors who got in early that are getting a chance to make big wins and big returns on their investment. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Have yourselves a great day. This is Rich from Rich to Be Live, and I'm out. Peace. Got my TAAT packs here. Got a couple packs here. They look like this. Beautiful packaging. And I got my TAAT lighter right here. So hopefully I get some more stuff from the company. Stay tuned. Take a look at that stock, $289 right now. All right, $289 right now. So up 15% on the day. If there's any other news or any other big information that I need to go live with or I need to talk about, I'll let you guys know first. I'll see you guys soon. If you guys want to join the Trading Academy, just email me, richtblive@gmail.com. We got members joining from all over the world, and we're looking for the greatest minds, the greatest trading minds on the planet to join our team. I believe we already have some. We're looking for more. If you aren't one of the greatest traders, but you want to learn, that's what we're looking for. People that want to learn how to earn and want to learn that laptop lifestyle, want to learn how to make money, trading from their phone, trading from their laptop, buying stocks like TAAT early, getting in and getting a chance to make 700% on their money, right? These are the types of opportunities we're looking for people that want to be a part of. And if that sounds like you, just email me and I'd love to be able to give you a chance to be a part of the community where you can take your trading skills to the next level. All right, guys, have a nice day. Hope you had a nice weekend. Hope you have a great trading week. I sold a bunch of stuff today. I'm feeling good. We're cashed up and ready for some more trades. Stay tuned. I'm out. Peace.